Hi guys, today I'm gonna do a project using the RFID scanner. So my project is going to be using the scanner with RFID tags and cards and using a door lock system. So basically, when I give the card or the tag towards the scanner, it's supposed to give me a message telling if my access is granted or denied. So the access will be granted only if the UID and the card or the tag is same as what I give in the coding. So first, let's just see the circuit diagram. So over here, as you can see, I've given even a servo motor in the connection. So that is, indicating our door. So if my access is granted, my door opens, and if it's denied, it stays in closed position. And we have to note one thing: in most of the RFID scanners, the pin labeling and the connection is different. So in mine, the pins are labeled in a different manner here, as you can see here. So I am going to show you a different photo where you can see the pin connections which are required to be connected. So over here, uh, for the Arduino board, which pin of the RFID should be connected, I have displayed, and for the RFID, which pin of the Arduino should be connected, I have given. So just go through this and then do the connections. So I'll do the connections right now. You can follow up. So the first one is goes for VCC, which is 3.3 volts. So second is the RST pin, which I'll give it for digital 9. And then we have our ground. And then we have our MISO pin, which I'm giving it for 12. And then MOSI pin for 11. And the SCK pin for 13. And the SS pin for 10. So as you can see, for me the connection over here for SS pin for 10 is different for what over here. So over here it's SDA, so for me instead of SDA it's NSS pin. So just go through the pin connections properly, and we have to connect the servo motor as well. So servo motor connection is very easy. We just have three connections. One is the servo pin, one is the VCC, and one is ground. So the servo pin, I'm gonna give it for 3, and the VCC goes for 5 volts. And then we have the ground. So yeah, we have our RFID scanner connected to UNO, and we have the servo motor here. So I'll just bring it aside for a close. Yeah. So now I'm gonna use my card and my tag to see if the code that I'm gonna write works. So I'll just show the code to you. Let's just get a better view. Okay, so yeah, so in our code we have our include SPI and MFRC522, which is for our RFID, and the servo pin is for the servo motor. So this pin connections I've showed it to you, and here my access delay is 2 seconds and denied delay is 1 second. So my access delay is, once I'm granted the access, I wait for 2 seconds for the information to come, and if my access is delayed, then it's 1 second. And we go for the serial port. Here in the serial monitor, I'm gonna read the information, that is if I'm getting the access or not. We can also use an LCD screen here, but this is just to this is like a prototype sort of a project just for testing. So here when I give the information as put your card to the reader, I'm supposed to place my card or tag whatever I have coded for the RFID. So once I place that, it's gonna check the presence of the card, and then it will check the number that is written on the card. So that is the UID tag. And once the UID tag is correct, so here as you can see I've given it as E1, E5, 3E and 1E. So this is my UID tag for the card and not for the tag. So when I place the card, I'm supposed to get authorized access, and when I place the tag, I'm supposed to get access denied. So I'll just connect the circuit to the Arduino IDE, and let's just check for the output. So just check the board and the port connection before you upload the code. So my code is done compiling, and it's uploading now. And my code is uploaded. So when I open the serial monitor, as you can see, it's not showing any information. So let's just wait. So I'm supposed to get a message where it says put your card to the reader. Yeah, but I think it's so here. When I place my card, the card it's giving me authorized access. So I'm gonna place the tag now, and it gives me denied. So I'm gonna place, and the servo motor is not rotating for the tag. So I'll just show it to you again. So my access keep getting denied, but the gate is closed. So when my access is granted, my gate opens, and you can see the servo motor moving. So yeah, that's the end of the project, and let's catch up soon at the next one.